Take command of the road in the 2013 Ford Escape. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Ford prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, and a split-folding rear seat. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.